Okay? That is called translocation. Translocation. Okay? Aside from translocation, ano pa ang posibleng problema pagdating sa ating chromosome?
Ako sir, problema ko sir.
It could be mosaic chromosome.
Slowly
Ano
sir,
ba ang
ito sir,
mosaic?
ang mga problema ba?
Parang pinagtagpi-tagpi. Di ba? Parang puzzle.
Ah,
So pag sinabi mo na mosaic chromosome, parts of the chromosome are missing.
parts of the chromosome is Venus, testes.
Okay? Defect no? May bangag, may bangag, may bangag, may bangag.
Puro bangat.
Missing parts.
Naghanag ba
Go, get on first.
Agad ka ba? Mosaic chromosome. So those are possible problems that causes your trisomy 21 or Down syndrome.
Ah,
Okay? Ano yung physical features si Down syndrome? Nakita niyo naman, mababa ang kanyang nose bridge, malapad ang kanyang noo, singkitan ang kanyang mata, manipis ang kanyang lower and upper lip. Manipis yan sila. Okay?